Hi everyone, welcome to our app demo. So the app that we worked on for our group project is a calorie tracker. Basically, a user can set a daily calorie goal and log how many calories they've had to eat in a day. So I'm going to go ahead and launch our app. When you open up the app, you open up to the settings page. You see a nice little picture of our logo, and right underneath our logo is our current calorie goal. So by default, the calorie goal is set to 2,000 calories. You can change this goal by pressing set new calorie goal, and if you try to enter it without actually putting anything, it says that the goal change was failed, and you can press OK and you can try again. So I'm going to set my desired calorie intake to 1750 calories. I'm going to press done, and over here there's an alert that shows that it was successfully changed. I can also turn on reminders so that I am reminded throughout the day consistently to log my calories. And for project demonstration purposes, I've made the reminders more frequent, but ideally you would want to remind a person around 3 times during a day to log their meals. So I'm pressing remind me, and there's an alert that pops up asking if we can send notifications, and I'm going to press allow, and later on during this demo you're going to see a notification pop up sometime. And next, I am going to go over the Meals tab. So I'm going to switch over to the Meals tab. And over here, it's basically like a meal book. You can see all the meals that you have saved, and you can add new meals that you regularly consume. So right here, I'm going to press Add New Meal. And same thing, if I tried to submit this without filling out the fields properly, it will say the meal was not added and to try again. I can also try filling it out with incorrect fields such as hello in calories, and calories is obviously a number that you'd want to keep track of, and if I try to add this meal, it will not work. So let me try to add an actual meal. So let's say we are adding in a protein shake, and let's say our protein shake has 725 calories. For the meal description, I'm going to put in creamy peanut butter and berry shake. Let's say it has 12 grams of carbs, 48 grams of protein, and 4 grams of fat. So these are basically macros that anybody will want to keep track of with their meal. So I'm going to press add meal, and here is the success alert showing that the meal has been successfully added. I'm going to press OK, and then once I press OK, you can see that our meal book view has been updated, and you can see that there is also a protein shake. If I click on protein shake, you can see the details for protein shake that we filled out, and you can see the macros and the calories. And next, I'm going to switch over to the log tab to demonstrate how it works. So you can log a meal for any date. So currently we are viewing May 16th, and I just logged a meal for May 16th, and it was pasta by default. I can also log another meal for May 16th. Let's say I also had a protein shake today, and I added it, and you can see over here it tells you how many calories you still need to eat to meet your calorie goal. I set my calorie goal to 1750 calories, so I still need 685 calories to meet this goal. Let's say I have one more shake, and you can see that my goal has been met. I can also pick a new date to view, so currently I'm viewing May 16th. Let's view yesterday. Yesterday I had nothing to eat as of now. I can start adding meals. Let's say I had a protein shake yesterday. Well, I think I added to the wrong date. Let's say for May 15th I had pasta, and let's set it to protein shake as well. Let's say I had one more protein shake or pasta, and I added that to the wrong date again. And you can see it be updated. And then I can go back and look at May 16th, and here's all the ones that I incorrectly added to the wrong date. And I can also go back and look at 15th, and you can go back as far as you want and look at any day and see how much you ate on those days. And then on this view, you can also see the meals and their details. So you can see what the macros are for pasta. You can see the macros for protein shake in the description. And if you click done, it disappears. Here is an example of our notification. Upon instructor feedback, we made a couple additional changes to our log tab. One new feature is that we can now delete meals that we've had on a certain day from our view. To do this, all we have to do is slide to the left and press delete. And now you see that our view has been updated. We changed our date picker to default to the meal we are viewing. So right now you can see that it's defaulted to May 16th. If I change it to May 15th and try to log a meal, you can see that it defaults to May 15th. We did this in order to limit confusion from the user's end, and so they can log a meal for their desired date. Another feature that we added is if we exceed our daily calorie limit, which is currently set to 2,000 calories, it says calorie goal has been met. But if we exceed our daily calorie limit by over 250 calories, a warning is displayed to the user to indicate them that they might be overeating or having way too many calories.